Hey guys, Ernest Odell here with a real quick tutorial for those of you who are using offline marketing with the Realistic Drop Card. Uh, Check the link below this video, and you'll find the link to this uh, website here. And I'm going to show you how to go in and create a card and start your own account. Okay, basically you just go to the Realistic Drop Card website there that you see in the link below the video. And while you're here, like this video, give it a little bit of like and love, and help the algorithms on the YouTube video. But just come down here and click Start Designing Yours Now. If you don't have an account, you can start designing, and then you can create one. You can change the image that you want to use from $100 to $20. You can use the $10 bill. You can use the $5 bill. You can use the $1 bill, or you can use a $100 bill. Okay. Now, on the $1 offer that I'm using over on Cash Now, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. If you have an account, you can create a new account. Okay. So let me go back and do that. Log out. Okay. And we'll go back to the previous screen here. So if you don't have an account, you can say start designing. You can go ahead and design, and then when you get ready to save it, they'll ask you to create an account, or you can go up here and log in. If you don't have an account, you can just create one here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and log back in. And here's all my designs that I've done. You can put images, overlays, you can do all kinds of stuff. So we're going to just say create a new account, start with a new image, and I'm going to change that denomination from 100 to a $1 bill. Scroll down so you can kind of see. Let me go F11 so I can get whole screen, remove the toolbar so you can see what I'm doing. And you want to see the other side, there it is, and you would fold that in half when you drop it somewhere. That's why they call them drop cards. You can drop them in the shopping basket, leave them on the counter at the store, put them on a, well, they don't have payphones anymore, but you can put them on the ATM. I leave them on gas pumps. I stick them in the gas pumps, like Frank Calabro used to do in his old videos. Stick about 5 or 10 of them up there on the ATM. It's a really great way. And occasionally I'll drop one in the aisle, when I'm over at Dollar Tree or at the United Grocery Store. I drop them in the aisle. People think there's money laying there and they'll pick it up. That's why they call them drop cards. Okay. And they work. All right. So let's go back, and we're going to use the edit tool. All right. And we're going to add text right there, and then you can grab it with the crosshairs and drag it around. You can change the text font to new text. We can go to Babas, use the dollar bill, grab this, and let me see if I can't grab this. Grab it here, and we'll say double click in there, then Control A, add them to highlight, and say start for $1. Doesn't like those dollar signs. Let's drag this down. Let's say start for $1. Some of these fonts don't like the dollar bill sign. So let me change that, highlight all, and go back to Arial. Okay. Because Arial will allow me to use the $1. symbol. Okay. Highlight. We can go up here and bold. We can bump it up a little bit, go to 48 point. Drag this up. Drag it down. Come over here, add more text, and highlight that and say start 6-figure online carriage return online business and earn. Let's see, put this back. Didn't like that. All right, so I grab that and remove. Didn't like that, so let's start over. Put it on a separate line. And I'm going to change this down to about a 26 point. Highlight all. Start. Well, that didn't work. It's supposed to be 26 point. All right. Start a 6-figure business. Have this, center it where you get that little purple line up there in the middle. Okay, move it and center it. If you wanted to put it down here and center it in the middle and vertically and horizontally, you would get the crosshairs, okay? So we're just going to center it up here, okay? You take this, and if you want, I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can copy that, but I'm not sure. You can bring it to front if you put it on an image or something, but I'm just going to go and say add text, bring this down. You can grab this little tool here and turn it around and say, wow, or something like that. You know, let's go back to right. And we're going to change that to 26 point. The online editor is just kind of, you know, finicky. Earn unlimited. Say 20, 50, 90. Let's highlight that and bring it down a couple of points to 24. Center it up. Bring this down. Let's see, 90, 100, 200, 400, and 1,000. Highlight all that, bring that down to a 24 point. Put an exclamation mark on that. Grab it again and center it up. And say start for $1. Let's see if we can't center that. Okay, now each one is on its own object, centered. Doesn't like you to use line breaks, okay? And then we're going to put another tool down here, and I'm going to add text. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to double click and highlight that. And we're going to put it, let's see, my super cash system.com. Highlight that, get it down to about 26 point. Grab that and put it right here. And we're going to see if we can bring it up to about 28. Bold. Very simple. Okay. And we're going to save it. There it is. Okay. And if you make something like this and you want to share that template with somebody else, go ahead and click on that share as a template, highlight that, copy it, and put it over into a file. I like to put mine over here in Notepad because I'm old school. And if you want to get a bit.ly link for it and make a bit.ly link, just come over to bit.ly real quick. If you don't have an account with bit.ly, you can just create a real quickie short link. Okay, if you have an account, you can log in and use bit.ly. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started for free. No, I'm not. I'm going to go down here and grab there, right there. Shorten the link. There's a long link. Shorten it. And then I'm going to take it and copy it and be done with it. Come back in here and put it right there. Save it. So now I got a bit.ly link on that too. If you want to, you can use that. So if I'm, let's see, go back over here to account info and log out. There is bit.ly. So if you wanted to share that template with somebody, they can come over here and they can start making that and, you know, make it for themselves. All they got to do is come in here and grab this and change that to whatever their domain is. And when they go to save it, okay, so let's say I wanted to save that as a different Master Marketers Academy.com, highlight that, bring it down to about a 28 point, bold, grab it, center it right here and there. You know, I've got a new card. Bring this up a little bit. Okay. And done save. Then you can create the design is saved temporarily. You can create a new account if you don't have one over here. Set your password, email, submit registration, and you know, then you can get in there and create an account. Hope this helps you make a card. Get a drop card over at Drop Card. Start dropping them. You know, it's like $14. Okay, for 100. $14.99 for 100. $29.99 for 250. You can order 1,000 for $100. It's like, you know, a penny a piece, or is that 10 cents a piece? Guys, I can't do my math. All right, guys, hope this helps. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. I've got other tutorials, you know. Use this for cash now. Do it for whatever you're promoting, okay? This is Ernest Odell, and I'll be signing off. Thank you.